Okay, on example 3, first there's a typo here. It should say use the 8th row of Pascal's triangle to find the binomial coefficients. And we know it really should be the 8th row because remember our row number is based upon that exponent. Our exponent is our n when we're looking at our combination. So now I know then that there was a typo there. So of course, we could just throw these in our calculator. We could use factorials to do this because we've learned both of those. But the directions tells me to use Pascal's triangle, so it's good practice for us to do this. So remember, I told you, you start out with your ones. You got to know that. And then from there, you just got to remember there's ones on the outside, and you add the two numbers above it to get the number that goes below it. So my next row would start out with a 1. These two is going to give me a 2, and then a 1. And then I have a 1. Those add to give me a 3. Those add to give me a 3, and then my 1. Then 1, those give me 4, 6, 4, and 1. Now what row was that I just did? Well, if you remember, I told you look at the second number, that's the 4th row, and I've got to go to the 8th. So then again, 1, these are going to give me 5, 10, 10, 5, 1, 1, 6, 15, and we just keep going here until we get to the one that has the 8 as our second number. So we got 2 more rows to go. And 1 more. Oh, my numbers went slanted up. I didn't notice that. Sorry about that. And we end with an 8. All right, so I'm looking at it. I'm making sure that it looks symmetric, which it is. So, and then these are my answers. So this first answer right here is my first thing right here, my first combination one. So this one's going to be a 1. Then my next coefficient would be 8, and then 28, 56, 70, 56, 28, 8, and 1.